Kamusta mga iho? This is the Oneal RSX boots that are perfect comfortable motocross boots for all-around off-road riding. It has an injection molded plastic cover that protects the lower leg from knocks and blows. Replaceable and easy to use snap lock buckles that gives the boot an adjustable width as well as the good and safe fit. In the sole, there's an infused metal plate that helps maintain the shape and protects the feet against the stress from the foot pegs. I used the Oneal RSX boots for the first time when I went off-road riding on the KTM track. If you haven't watched it yet, click the link above. And based on my experience, it is comfortable to use and my feet feel protected and secure. I think this is the perfect motocross boots for all-around off-road riding. Thank you for watching and looking forward to our next off-road adventure.